For years, GoPro stood as the undisputed leader in the action camera market. Its rugged design, reliability, and impressive video quality made it the go-to choice for adventurers, athletes, and content creators alike. However, in recent years, the brand's innovations seem to slow, with new models offering only incremental upgrades and little to truly excite fans. Meanwhile, competitors such as DJI and Insta360 have surged ahead, introducing cameras with larger sensors, better low-light performance, and smarter features. This shift has left many GoPro enthusiasts yearning for a return to form, a camera that not only meets but exceeds the demands of modern creators. Now, with rumors swirling about the upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black, there is a palpable sense of anticipation that the company is poised for a major comeback. GoPro's release schedule is nothing if not predictable, with new flagship models typically unveiled in September each year. According to multiple sources, the GoPro Hero 14 Black is expected to launch on September 20th, 2025. While this may seem a bit early to begin speculating, the leaks and rumors are compelling enough to warrant attention. For the first time in years, GoPro appears ready to make significant hardware changes, rather than relying solely on software tweaks and minor design updates. The most exciting of these rumored upgrades is the introduction of a larger 1-inch sensor, a feature that fans have been requesting for years. This would represent a substantial leap in image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions, and would finally allow GoPro to compete head-to-head with rivals like the DJI Osmo Action series, which already boasts larger sensors. A larger sensor is more than just a spec sheet bragging point. It fundamentally transforms the camera's capabilities by allowing more light to reach the image processor. This results in sharper, more detailed footage, richer colors, and vastly improved performance in low-light environments. For action cameras, which are often used in unpredictable and fast-changing conditions, these improvements are critical. While the Hero 14 Black is not expected to increase its maximum video resolution beyond the current 5.3K, the quality of each pixel should be noticeably better. This is a smart move by GoPro. Rather than chasing ever higher resolutions, which can lead to larger file sizes and greater processing demands, the company is focusing on the aspects of image quality that matter most to users. Another long-awaited feature that may finally make its debut is a larger edge-to-edge display. This new screen design is rumored to include reinforced protective bumps, ensuring the camera remains as tough as ever while giving users more space to frame their shots and navigate menus. For creators who rely on their GoPro for vlogging or capturing dynamic action, a bigger and more vibrant display can make a world of difference. Alongside the new screen, there are whispers of a redesigned control layout, possibly with dedicated buttons for switching modes or starting recordings instantly. These practical changes could streamline the user experience, particularly in high-pressure situations where every second counts. One of the most persistent complaints about recent GoPro models has been overheating, especially during extended shoots or when recording at high resolutions. This issue not only disrupts filming, but can also damage the camera over time. The Hero 14 Black is rumored to address this with a new processor, possibly the GP3, which promises both improved performance and better thermal efficiency. There is even talk of a built-in heatsink to further aid in heat dissipation. If these rumors prove true, it could mean longer, uninterrupted recording sessions and greater reliability in demanding environments. Battery life is another area where GoPro has room for improvement. While the company's cameras have always prioritized portability, this often comes at the expense of battery capacity. The new processor, if more power efficient, could help extend battery life, but many users are hoping for the option of high-capacity batteries as well. For those who take their GoPro on long hikes, bike rides, or remote adventures, the ability to shoot for hours without worrying about recharging is invaluable. GoPro's challenge will be to balance these demands without making the camera too bulky or heavy. Despite the recent stagnation, GoPro remains one of the most recognized and trusted brands in the action camera space. Its cameras are still among the best for capturing fast-paced, high-adrenaline moments. However, with competition from brands like DJI intensifying, GoPro needs to remind the world why it is the original action camera pioneer. The Hero 14 Black could be the product that reignites excitement and re-establishes GoPro as the leader in innovation. While GoPro prepares for its potential resurgence, DJI is also gearing up for a major leap forward with its own compact camera line. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has long been a favorite among vloggers, travelers, and everyday filmmakers seeking cinematic quality in a pocket-sized package. Previous models have offered steady, incremental improvements, but the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to be a true game-changer. If the early leaks are accurate, this new model will not only refine the design, but also introduce meaningful upgrades in performance, image quality, and usability. One of the most talked about rumors is the Pocket 4's larger screen. Reports suggest a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 800 and an impressive 800 nits of brightness. This would be a significant step up from the Pocket 3's 2-inch display, offering better visibility in bright outdoor conditions and making it easier to frame shots or adjust settings on the fly. The camera's body is expected to be slightly larger and heavier, around 190 grams, to accommodate the new screen and a bigger battery. Improved button placement and a more ergonomic grip are also anticipated, making the Pocket 4 more comfortable to use for extended periods. Under the hood, the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This combination promises sharper images, better low-light performance, and a wider dynamic range. The ISO range could extend from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, enabling creators to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. Color fidelity is expected to improve as well, with support for 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording. These features will give filmmakers greater flexibility in post-production, allowing for more nuanced color grading and richer final results. Autofocus is another area set for improvement. The Pocket 4 may introduce phase detection and eye-tracking autofocus, reducing the focus hunting issues that plagued earlier models. A new, more powerful processor is rumored to handle the increased data rates, support enhanced computational photography, and enable real-time HDR previews. For creators who value speed and efficiency, these upgrades could make a tangible difference in their workflow. Smart features are central to DJI's strategy, and the Pocket 4 is expected to push the envelope even further. The next-generation ActiveTrack 7.0 could combine phase detection and eye tracking for more accurate subject tracking, ensuring smoother, more reliable focus on fast-moving subjects. The camera's gimbal stabilization system is also rumored to get a significant boost, blending mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms to deliver ultra-smooth footage even in the most challenging scenarios. Whether filming action sports, dynamic vlogs, or cinematic travel sequences, users can expect professional-grade results from a device that fits in their pocket. Performance-wise, the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. It is expected to support 4K video recording at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. The larger sensor should deliver sharper details, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range, making it a must-have tool for creators who demand the best. Battery life, always a concern with compact cameras, is rumored to see significant improvements as well. A more efficient power management system could allow for longer recording sessions, while fast charging, potentially reaching a full charge in just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger, would minimize downtime. Improved heat management is also expected, enabling extended shooting without the risk of overheating. The DJI Pocket 4 is anticipated to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following the company's typical 3-year release cycle. Pricing is expected to start at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, reflecting the premium features and performance on offer. While this marks a price increase over previous models, the enhanced capabilities should justify the investment for serious creators. Casual users may still find value in the Pocket 3, but for those seeking the cutting edge of portable video production, the Pocket 4 could be a game changer. As both GoPro and DJI prepare to unveil their next-generation cameras, the action and compact camera markets are set for a major shakeup. For consumers, this competition can only be a good thing, driving innovation and delivering better tools for capturing life's most exciting moments. Whether you're a die-hard GoPro fan, a DJI devotee, or simply a creator looking for the best gear, the coming months promise plenty of excitement and new possibilities. The question now is not just which camera will offer the most impressive specs, but which will best empower users to tell their stories in bold, creative ways.